In my last video, I'll pin it on the top right side of your screen, I talked about the crypto market cycles and how money flows from one coin to another. Today, I'll be talking more about my personal crypto investing strategy on how to compound your gains from a 3x to an easy 100x and when to take profits. Alright, let's get straight to the point. I'll make this video short and sweet so you guys can get the main points I am sharing. This is not financial advice, but this is my personal investing strategy in crypto. So in a typical bull market, and let's assume the bull market resumes from now, and right now you have done your research and all that, so you have a bag of altcoins. And then one of your altcoins suddenly pumps, doing a 3x to a 5x. So in general, my strategy is I would take 70% profits and leave the rest of the 30% as a moon bag. So what this does is, for your portfolio, is you would realize most of your profits, but yet leave some, just in case it ever pumps even more. Or if you really like the coin's fundamentals. One tip for you guys, do not buy back the same altcoin on a dip unless it is top tier. We are spoiled for choices and it's more profitable buying altcoins that haven't pumped. I will then use the profits to reinvest into another altcoin that has yet to pump and the cycle repeats. This is called compounding your profits. Don't follow those people who tell you this or that coin is going to 100x or 1000x, or tells you to just hold the coin to 100x, even though you already made a 10x on your coin and not take any profits yet. That is pure dumb. If the market just flips very suddenly, you would have suddenly gone back to square one, losing all your gains without taking any profits. That is the worst feeling you can ever have. Instead, do what I do. Compound your gains. Take profits when you make a 3x or 5x and reinvest in another coin that has not yet pumped. You can get your 100x easily. Let me give you an example. Alright, let's just say you have a coin called Poopcoin. It did a 3x, and so you took profits, sold off everything, and you reinvested in another coin called Poopercoin. It does a 4x, so basically you made a 12x from your initial investment. That is called compounding your profits. So you then take profits from Poopercoin and reinvested in yet another coin called Pcoin. And it did a 5x. So basically you already made a 60x compounded gain from your initial. So essentially you bought low, sold high, took profits and compounded it. This way you take profits and gain even more profits faster, instead of just holding one single coin for a very long time without taking any profits. Crypto is super volatile and anything can happen in a single day. So, protect your gains. So, when should you stop this cycle? Well, this reinvesting strategy cycle repeats until I see price of Bitcoin on the charts forms a lower high on the daily, which should look something like this. This is called a lower high. And further confirms of a bear market would be Bitcoin would drop below the 21 and 34 weekly EMA, which I have said many multiple times in previous videos. I will then sell off most of my altcoins either into Bitcoin if you want to stack Bitcoin for the long term and you believe in it, or into stables, which I mostly do. With your said profits during a bear market, let's say there is one, you can then convert them back into fiat and enjoy life. Buy a new house or buy something you really need until the next bull market and repeat the cycle. Or you can use your stables to yield farm. Since this video is not about yield farming, I won't be talking about it further. But if you don't know what yield farming is and are interested, do check out my previous videos. I covered them more in depth. As you have seen the market currently, altcoins are bleeding hard, down about 50 to 80% or more from the highs. and it's a terrible feeling holding them throughout these times. So, taking profits is very, very important, even if you miss out on some of the gains. And in the bear market, it's the best of the best time to load up on some altcoins. I talked about it in my previous video, so check it out. So that's it from me. If you like this video, please hit the like button if you haven't already. I make videos weekly, so subscribe if you want contents like this. And if you want to earn interest on your crypto, you can use Blockfi and receive up to $250. Link is in the description below. And as always, invest safe and smart. The markets are always here, but your capital may not. Peace.